dark, heavy and low, but light breaks in. Now I know sin had me locked, shame held the key, but Jesus came and set me free. Feel the power breaking through, freedom rising in me and you. No more chains, no more chains, I'm free in you. No more shame, no more pain, victory won. Breaking every bondage, every lie, living in your freedom lifted high. No more chains, no more chains, I'm free, forever free in you.